So something that I've struggled with and something I have to have compassion with is when other people allow really horrific or perhaps small, slow, insidious behaviour in others. I have no patience for that, and I really struggle. And the fact I have no patience for that shows me how far I've come, how I've healed, how I've grown. And it makes me have more compassion for those people and where they're at on their journey. So I feel like I can hold two worlds at once. I hold my world, which is now, would never used to be, right? I used to be a chronic people pleaser, toxic empath. And I had these types of people in my life. Through the last 5 years and what's happened and my awakening, slowly but surely they've fallen away or I've cut them off. And I no longer have anyone in my life that behaves badly or that is against my principles and values and integrity of how to behave. Yes, I sometimes have to have interactions with people like out in the world or to get stuff done. But I do that in a way that is authentic to me, and I connect at the level that I need to connect at with really firm boundaries in those situations. But something that I really struggle with is like when I hear from women and they're very clearly in like abusive, toxic relationships, and I'm like, my instant reaction is like, why are you allowing this? Like, can you not see how magical you are? Can you not see how gifted you are? Can you not see what a queen you are? And if you're not being treated like a queen, get the F out. So I have compassion because this used to be me and this is the past version of me, and I could totally see how that was all serving me. So I do have compassion, and I know that I'm further along that path and journey because I'm here to help others and awaken others to their truth. And then at the same time, I'm holding this other reality where, yes, I do have really high standards, but it is my high standards that has shifted my life beyond magical. And I feel that holding that standard allows others to raise their standards and hold their standards as well. So I'm holding these two realities at once. And I have to know like which to dive into, when to go into tough love Gemma and be like, if he's not treating you like an effing queen, get out of there. And when to be like, I hear you, I understand you, like let's do some healing and growth and look at self-worth and self-esteem. And like, does anyone else resonate with this? Just it's something very dear to my heart.